Hello, everyone. This is Crypto Bull signing on. I left. It's been about 5 days since I last shared a video with you guys, but I have been updating the chart, the same chart, on my Twitter and my Telegram. So be sure to look at the links below to see how you can join. It's free. Don't worry, you can just join. If you don't like it, you can unfollow or delete the channel, whatever you want. So last time I predicted that we would be going down to test the support. It sort of broke down a bit, and then you can clearly see it's a textbook example of how support, once it breaks, then becomes the next resistance after seeing it bounce a few times. But then here on Valentine's Day, we just had this huge volume, and it broke the resistance and the 9,000 psychological resistance as well. And then we stayed here on this downtrend resistance that I thought would be quite difficult, and then it just kept ballooning up, breaking through 9,500 after a couple bounces, then going to my next resistance at 10,300, where I stated on my Telegram that we'd be seeing a slight pullback, went down, drew the support, and then we haven't seen anything bad since. So it has been an impressive 10-day run, however you look at it. Look at this. From the lows, I know it's kind of cheating, but from the lows at around 5,800, we've had a 80% increase, 82.97% increase. That is just incredible. So if you bought in this dip, congratulations. If you bought here, you're still above. If you bought here, you're still above. So remember that crypto is very, very volatile, and I always recommend that people take profits and move them to fiat, because it's one thing to be a winner on paper, and one thing is to be a winner on cash. So right now I'm looking at the 30-minute time frame. We're focusing on the shorter term. As you can clearly see, we've had a big decrease in volume. The supports broken have all come with big spikes in volume and big spikes in prices, but as you can see, it has become relatively weaker. So I stated on my channel that the 10,911K was going to be a big resistance, because if we zoom out a bit, it's this big trend line right here. So I don't personally believe that we will be breaking it. In my honest opinion, I think we will be retracing back to at least 10,300, and then perhaps even move back into the high 9,800s. Again, if you look at it in the 2 hours, overbought RSI, overbought stochastic RSI, MACD already positive and trending downward. So this is a time to take your time and protect profits. Okay, so let's go into the shorter time frame now. So this is what I believe will happen. I drew this line a couple days ago. It has respected it quite well. I think it will continue downwards to 10,500, 10,300, as I stated before. Has failed to break this resistance 3 times now, and we might be seeing a breakdown to around 9,800, where we saw some slight resistance / support here, or we could bounce back up and sort of break this. If you want to look at it as an ascending, sort of like an ascending triangle, we might be inclined to say that we could break this resistance. But again, given the amount of volume, I think the thing that's most likely is that we go back down to the high 9,800s. Another reason for why I think this is that there has been little to no FUD in the past week, and that's why we've had this impressive run. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to want to take these 20, 30, 40% gains and move them into some altcoins, because besides Litecoin, which had this, again, impressive run in the past few days, there have been little to no movement on the rest of them. Ethereum has also been on a steady climb, but not as big as Bitcoin or Litecoin. And then we look at the ERC20 and the other altcoins. but those are to share for my private group in case you want to join. The information is on my channel. But I just wanted to provide this quick update on what we might be seeing for Bitcoin for the time being. Remember, protect profits. Also, this is for educational purposes. Trying to teach you guys a little bit about TA. So we saw here about how support after it's broken becomes resistance and vice versa. It's good to draw both bullish and horizontal supports to see which one works and where we might see bounces. So I'm just trying to teach you guys a little bit of something, and we talked a little bit about volume. So please show your support. My Twitter is this information here. This is my Twitter. This is my Telegram. If you want to send me a direct message, and my channel is t.me/bullofcrypto. If you join, be sure to join. Thanks.